Protecting your brand with a trademark is a crucial investment. But how much does it really cost? From attorney fees to filing costs and long-term expenses, understanding the full financial picture is essential before you begin the process. Trademark registration involves multiple expenses that many business owners don't anticipate. The total cost typically ranges from $1,000 to $2,000 for basic registration services, but can increase significantly if complications arise. Let's break down these costs. First, there are the USPTO filing fees. These range from $225 to $400 per class of goods or services, depending on your application type. The TEAS Plus electronic filing option is the most affordable at $225 per class, while paper applications cost more. But government fees are just the beginning. If you're filing based on intent to use rather than actual use, you'll need to submit a statement of use later in the process, adding $100 per class. And if the USPTO issues an office action questioning or refusing your application, responding properly can cost between $200 and $2,000, depending on complexity. Many business owners wonder if hiring a trademark attorney is worth the expense. While filing yourself costs as little as $225 and online legal services charge around $500, these options lack crucial legal guidance. Statistics show that nearly 50% of trademark applications are rejected, often due to preventable errors. A trademark attorney typically charges between $1,000 and $2,000 for comprehensive services. This includes conducting thorough searches across federal, state, and common law databases, assessing your mark's strength, preparing applications properly, and responding to USPTO communications. What are the most common mistakes in DIY trademark filings? Selecting incorrect classifications, failing to conduct proper searches, submitting inadequate specimens showing use in commerce, and misunderstanding legal requirements. These errors can lead to rejections, delays, or even trademark cancellations later. For businesses with international aspirations, additional costs apply. The Madrid Protocol allows you to file in multiple countries through a single application, but fees range from $500 to $1,500 per country. European Union trademark registration costs approximately $900 and covers all 27 member states. Don't forget about long-term maintenance expenses. To keep your trademark active, you must file a declaration of use between the 5th and 6th year after registration, costing $100 per class. Every 10 years, renewal fees of $500 per class apply. For additional protection, a declaration of incontestability costs $200 per class after 5 years of continuous use. When budgeting for trademark protection, consider both immediate and future expenses. While hiring an attorney increases upfront costs, their expertise significantly reduces the risk of costly errors and increases approval chances. For many businesses, professional guidance proves more economical in the long run by avoiding rejections, office actions, and potential disputes. Remember that your trademark is one of your business's most valuable assets. The investment in proper registration and maintenance provides lasting protection for your brand identity and market position.